Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Podcast Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Zach, episode 58 today.
Hello, Zach. Hi, everyone. I'm Zoe. I was just thinking about making friends in a new city.
Yes, that is a great topic. Many people move. They feel nervous. They want friends. Today, we talk about how to meet people, how to start a conversation, and how to keep a new friend.
I will share a story. It is short but real. When I moved to a new city, I was excited. I had a new job, I had a small apartment. At first, I thought I would meet friends at work, but the first week was quiet. People were busy. I ate lunch alone. I felt lonely. I cried a little in the kitchen. Then I tried small things. I smiled at my neighbor. I said hi to the barista. Slowly, things changed.
That is so real. I moved once for school. It was far from home. I remember the first night. I sat on my bed and looked out the window. The city lights were pretty, but I felt small. I missed my family. Then I joined a student club. I went to one meeting. I felt awkward. I said one sentence. "Hi, I'm Zach." Someone laughed kindly. That laugh made me try again. 2 people asked for my number. 1 became a friend for years. So small steps matter.
Yes, small steps. Okay, let's talk step by step. First, your mindset. Be open. Say yes to small invites. If a coworker says, "Want coffee?" say yes. If a neighbor says, "We have a block party," go. Even if you feel shy, try it. You will learn.
And be curious. Ask easy questions. Where are you from? What do you like to do on weekends? Simple questions keep the talk moving. Short questions are good for beginners learning English, too.
Also, find places where people share your interest. It helps a lot. If you like running, join a running group. If you like books, go to a book club. When people like the same things, the first talk is easier. You already have something to say.
True. And use apps and websites, too. There are meetup groups, hobby apps, and local event pages. But remember, online meetups are only the first step. Try to meet in person when you can. Face-to-face meetings build stronger bonds.
Let me tell you about my coffee shop trick. When I moved, I found a small coffee shop near my apartment. I went there often. After 2 weeks, the barista knew my name. Then one morning, she introduced me to a woman who always sat with a laptop. We started talking about music. That talk led to a walk in the park. Now she's a good friend. Routine helps. Go to the same places, say hi.
Good tip. Repeat visits make people comfortable. Now, how to start a conversation? Use compliments. They're easy. "I like your jacket." "Nice backpack." Simple and true. People like to hear kind words.
Or use an observation. That plant looks happy. The line is long today. Short sentences. Notice something and say it. The other person can reply. The conversation grows.
And use open questions, not yes or no questions. Ask, "What do you like about this city?" Not, "Do you like this city?" The first asks for more words. That is helpful for practice and for real talk.
Another good move is to give help or ask for help. Can you recommend a good bakery? Or do you know a good bike route? People like to help. When someone helps you, there's a natural connection.
True. And be helpful too. If you see someone struggling with bags, offer to help. Kindness brings friends.
What about work friends? Sometimes we think work will give us all the friends, but that takes time. Do small things. Bring a snack to share. Join the team for lunch. Ask about weekend plans. Show interest in people's lives.
And be patient. Not every coworker will become a best friend, but a few will. Invest in those. Have coffee with them. Send a short message after work. "It was nice to talk today." Small messages keep the connection alive.
We should talk about follow-ups. After you meet someone, do one follow-up. Send a text. "I enjoyed talking today. Want to meet for coffee next week?" Simple. People are busy. A friendly message is enough. Don't wait too long.
Yes, and be brave with invitations. Invite one person to a small thing, a walk, a museum visit, or to try a new cafe. Keep it casual, no big pressure.
Now about events. Go to local events and say hello. Festivals, markets, classes. Classes are great because you meet the same people again. Friendly faces become friends.
True. And volunteering is also a good idea. It gives purpose. You meet kind people, you work together. Teamwork makes bonds fast.
Let's talk about cultural differences. When you move to a new city, the way people greet or talk may be different. Some people are direct, some are more shy. Watch and learn. Be polite. Ask questions. Is it okay if I call you by your first name? Small respect helps.
Also, language. If you're learning English, mention that. I'm learning English. Please tell me if my words are wrong. Many people will help and be patient. They will like that you try.
Now dealing with rejection. It happens. One person may not respond. Maybe you invite someone and they say no. That is okay. Do not take it personally. People have busy lives. Try again with someone else. Keep going.
Yes, do not give up. I had many no's when I moved. I felt sad for a day, but the next week I met someone great at a cooking class. Keep trying.
Deep friendships take time. At first, you have small talk. Then small talk becomes longer talks. You share a story. You laugh. You listen. That's when friendship grows.
Be a good listener. That is one of the best skills. When someone speaks, listen more than you talk. Show you care. Nod. Say, I see, or that sounds fun. Little words show you are paying attention.
And share your feelings too. Let people know a bit about yourself. I'm feeling nervous about moving, or I miss my old town. Honest words make you human. People respond with care.
What about trust? Don't rush. Wait and watch. Good friends show up in tough times. They keep promises. They listen. Protect your heart. It's okay to be slow.
A tip I used is invite people to small group events. Sometimes one-on-one is scary. A group is easier. I had a small dinner with 3 neighbors. It was relaxed. We shared food and stories. Now we meet each month.
Another idea is language exchange. If you're from another country, find someone who wants to learn your language. You teach them a little, they teach you English. It's a win-win.
Technology helps too. Join local social media groups. Many cities have new-to-town groups. Say hi and ask for tips. You'll find people in the same place as you.
And remember to take care of yourself. Moving and meeting people is tiring. Sleep well, eat well, do things you like alone too. A good mood makes meeting people easier.
Also, keep old friends too. Call them, message them. They help you feel strong while you build new ones.
Before we move to our final part, please subscribe to our channel. If this episode helps you, click the like button. It helps us a lot. We want to help more people learn English. Share this episode with your friends.
Yes, please subscribe and like, and write a comment. Tell us your city. Tell us one tip that helped you make friends. We will read the comments and reply.
Okay, final quick checklist for our listeners. 1. Be open, say yes. 2. Find places with similar interests. 3. Start with small talk and open questions. 4. Follow up after meeting. 5. Be kind and listen. 6. Give time for trust.
And one more. Be patient with yourself. Making friends takes time. It's normal. You will feel lonely sometimes. That's part of the process. But step by step, you will build a new circle.
Let's end with a short reflection. I want to say something honest. When I first moved, I thought making friends was a race. I wanted it fast. But real friendships are not a race. They're like a garden. You water them, you wait, and then you see flowers.
I agree. I learned to be gentle with myself. A small hello can change your day. A small invite can grow into a friendship. Be brave. Be kind. Keep going.
Thank you for listening to episode 58. We hope this talk helps you. If you liked it, please subscribe, like, and share. And if you want more episodes about moving, loneliness, or making friends, tell us in the comments.
Bye for now. Take one small step today. Say hello to one person. You never know. It could change your life.
Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.